The modified vehicle got a lot more complicated and stronger with chips. Chips are one of the latest features added to Dark War Survival, and they can make a huge difference in battle power if you know how to use them. Welcome back to the Meta Instincts channel. In today's video, we'll break down everything about chips, the types, factions, quality levels, how to get them, and how to upgrade them step by step. Chips. There are 4 types of chips: deployment, assault, suppression, and barrier. Deployment and assault chips increase combat damage, while suppression and barrier chips boost HP. This is the first boost from the chip. On top of that, chips are divided into factions: fighter, shooter, and rider. You first need to choose the chipset faction for the modified vehicle. Only fighter chips can be installed on that vehicle if you choose fighter. You won't get the right boost for your formation if you pick the wrong faction. For example, a shooter formation with a fighter chipset, that's a wrong match. But don't worry, you can always switch factions later with the faction switch function. If you have 4 formations, you can install chips for 4 vehicles. Each vehicle corresponds to the formation and can hold 4 chips, one of each type. Meanwhile, chips come in 4 qualities: green, blue, purple, and orange. Orange is the highest quality, and installing 4 orange chips in one vehicle will unlock a special bonus called Chip Resonance. This bonus adds even more combat damage to your team. But that's not all. Every chip comes with a unique skill. For example, the orange deployment chip gives a shield that absorbs 50% of incoming damage for up to 400% of your attack and boosts damage by 1%. Chip Chest. The first way to get chips is through chip chests. These chests mostly come from events and bundles. Chip chests come in different qualities: green, blue, purple, and orange. Opening a chest will give you 1 chip plus some chip materials, depending on the chest quality. For example, a purple chip chest has an 85% chance of giving you a purple chip, a 15% chance of an orange chip, and it also provides 30 advanced chip materials. Meanwhile, an orange chest guarantees 1 orange chip plus 100 advanced chip materials. However, the chip you get from the chest is random, so you might not get what you want. If you're buying a bundle in Dark War Survival, GemZ is ready to help you save more and get more value. GemZ helps thousands of players save digital taxes and offers up to 15% discount on bundles. For example, UK players would pay over $125 for the same bundle, which only sells at $100 for the US players. With GemZ, it's just $87.99, saving over 30% from digital tax and discount, and you save even more as you spend. Plus, first-time users will get a $10 credit for any bundle. Inviting friends can earn you an additional $20 in in-game rewards. Take advantage of flash deals and giveaways on their Discord server. Click the link in the description and start saving today with GemZ. Chip Factory. Unlike the chip chest, you can craft what you want from the chip factory. For example, if your primary formation is shooter, you can focus on crafting shooter chips. At the factory, you can craft only purple and orange chips. Crafting purple chips requires common chip materials, while orange chips require advanced chip materials. The goal is to get a complete set of orange chips for each vehicle, which takes time or money. So start with lower quality chips and gradually replace them as you collect more orange ones. Advanced chip materials are rare. One of the best sources is Alliance Duel rewards. Specifically, you can earn them from the 3rd, 6th, and 9th duel chests. You can get double rewards from the Alliance Duel if you have completed the duel research. That would help get advanced chip material faster. Star Up. Purple and orange chips can be starred up to 10 stars. Advancing the star level will enhance the skill. For example, a 1-star purple deployment chip boosts its skill damage factor from 200% to 300%. Each star consists of 10 progresses. You must complete them to reach a star level. You will need chip experience or unused chips for the first 9 progress and duplicate chips for the last. Thus, you will need many chip copies for the star up progress. The damage or HP boost will be enhanced along with the progress. The good news is you can reset the star up progress anytime and get all your resources back. That means you don't have to worry about wasting resources if you star up a purple chip. Later, when you replace the chip, you can reset the purple and transfer the resources to the orange chip. And that's the walkthrough of the new chip system in Dark War Survival. Please like and share it with your members. I'm Alan from Meta Instincts. See you at the next one.